In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file a late 2023 IRS tax return by mail. If you missed the original deadline for 2023, don't worry. This walkthrough will show you how to get it done correctly and avoid common mistakes. First, get the right forms for the 2023 tax year. Head to the IRS website and download Form 1040 for 2023, along with any schedules or instructions you need for your situation. Double-check that every form clearly says 2023 at the top. Using the wrong year can cause delays. The instructions for Form 1040 also explain which supporting documents to attach, like copies of your W-2 or certain 1099s, so keep those handy. Next, decide whether to use prior year tax software or a tax professional. Many platforms, such as Free Tax USA and similar providers, offer a prior year mode that lets you prepare a 2023 return accurately. This can help catch math errors and prompt you for credits and deductions you might otherwise miss. If your situation is complex, hiring a trusted tax professional can save time and ensure everything is reported properly. Either way, gather your income forms, deduction records, and last year's return if you have it. Having everything in one place speeds up the process. Once your return is complete, you must print and mail it. E-filing isn't available for this past due 2023 return. Print neatly, review each page, and sign and date your Form 1040. The IRS will not process an unsigned return. Attach any required forms and schedules in the order listed in the instructions. Then find the correct IRS mailing address for your state in the 2023 Form 1040 instructions. Addresses differ depending on where you live and whether you're sending a payment. Use a secure, trackable mailing method and keep copies of everything you send for your records. If you owe taxes, include your payment with the mailed return. Penalties and interest generally apply when you file and pay late, so sending payment as soon as possible can reduce extra charges. You can pay by check or money order following the instructions in the payment voucher for 2023, often labeled Form 1040 QV. If you can't pay in full, send what you can now. You may explore IRS payment options after filing, but don't delay getting the return in the mail. Take a final moment to review correct 2023 forms, prepared with software or a professional, printed, signed, mailed to the right address, and payment included if you owe. With these steps, you'll be back on track and moving toward resolution.